There's a possibility Senator Manny Pacquiao will be working with Hollywood star Angelina Jolie. Philippine Daily Inquirer showbiz columnist Dolly Ann Carbajal revealed it. Carbajal hinted the two international icons may work together in a movie titled Freedom Fighters. The movie is based on The Guerrilla Wife, a memoir written by American author Louise Reed Spencer, who lived in the Philippines during the Japanese occupation. Pacquiao will be playing the role of Macario Peralta Jr., a guerrilla leader in Panay.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.